Before we get into the details of our review, let's first thank our sponsor. Today's video is sponsored by TechSwiftPH.com. This is a local online store here in the Philippines that sells a variety of gadgets and peripherals that is perfect for your online work or school setup, and of course, for your gaming gadget needs. The good news is, if you buy from them online, you may use our discount code RANONREV to get 250 pesos off per transaction. So please be sure to check them out. Let's first talk about the build quality and design of this headset. The thing that I have noticed once I opened it out of the box is that it kinda looks bulky. But I also kind of dig it because it looks like the headset of pilots in helicopters and airplanes. But despite that bulky design, it's surprisingly lightweight. It's made out of plastic, which could also be its downside. It definitely does not feel durable, especially the thin metal hinges on the side with the green cable right here. So I'm not sure if this will take a few drops or would last if you keep on adjusting its length or if you bring it with you everywhere. But looking at the bright side, it brings us back to its being a lightweight headset. I used it for around 4 to 5 hours and I haven't felt any pressure points on any part of my head at all. It has a cushion by the headband and memory foam by the cups, which also means that it's not sweat proof. So if you do wear this for longer hours, you'll kind of build up some sweat by your ears or by the side of your head right here. Speaking of its cups, it does offer a fair passive noise cancellation, meaning once it's on your ears, your surroundings really will kind of sound muffled. In fact, every time I wear this inside the room where I'm with people or I'm with someone, I have to do this so just to make sure that I'd be able to hear the person that I'm with inside the room. Otherwise, that person might get annoyed because, again, it really does muffle the sound of your environment. Finally, the controls on this headset are easy to use. So both the volume knob and the mute button are on the left ear cup and it's fairly easy to get used to. Moving on to the sound quality, although the driver of a speaker or a headset isn't really the basis of good sound quality sometimes, well, in this headset, it is. So this has 50mm drivers. I find the mids, trebs, and bass are clear and crisp, although I think that the sub bass is a bit too much but not really overpowering. As for gaming, this does have 7.1 surround sound that you have to activate via the Razer Synapse app. All you have to do is scratch the code that's included in the box. But since TechSwiftPH just lent this to us, we really can't test it out for you. Our apologies. But let me assure you that even without the 7.1 surround sound, I really love how this is really working well with FPS games. So I use this for Valorant, and I can clearly hear if the opponent is on my left, right, or even down below me if like I'm in a rafter in one of the maps of Valorant. So it does really fare well as a gaming headset. So this is the mic test of this Razer Blackshark V2X. As I am using it, let me do this with the foam so you can hear that it is really what I'm using. Sorry if that annoys you guys. So let's talk about its pickup. I love how my voice sounds like here. It's very full. There's not much processing, especially that the mic is, of course, the headset is wired, so there's no processing involved that much. And Razer has been using a cardioid mic, which means it will pick up clearly what's in front of the mic diaphragm. But what's sad is it's not really noise cancelling, and it also picks up the sound of me breathing. So this can be annoying for your friends if you're playing some FPS games. But nevertheless, I really like how my voice sounds like here, so it's a good microphone. I just wish that they used noise cancelling technology with this one. So there we have the Blackshark V2X. Overall, I find that it's really good for gaming in terms of sound quality and how comfortable it is. But then again, its build quality and durability is kind of questionable. Remember, I'm only here to help you with your purchase decisions. In the end, it's always going to be your choice, your call. See you in the next video.